Hello everyone. Welcome to Wongo Wishing Technology, and today we are here to discuss the best IDE for Java. Like according to me, if you are a beginner, BlueJ is best IDE for Java, and if you know Java programming already and you are working with some project, then I think IntelliJ is the best IDE. So in this session, I'll be showing you how BlueJ works. So first of all, let's make a new project in BlueJ. So let's name it as example IDE. So here is our new project. In this, we need to define a new class. As we all know that every Java program have a class. Without declaring classes, you cannot execute a single Java program. So let's name the class as let's name it as example class. Now here is our class. So double click on this class. Okay, so here is our editor now. So these are all the instructions that it is asking you to do like it is providing you a basic template. See a class name, then a private integer variable, constructor in which it is initializing x with 0, this integer variable with 0, then a sample method, right? So let's remove all of this and let's make a hello world program. So for that, first we will be defining a class. So the class name is example class. Then here closing brackets, right? We all know that entry point in Java is public static void main statement, right? So we will be defining that. So public static void main, and inside this string args array, right? And let's print system dot out dot print ln hello world. Now see, this is the program of printing hello world on the screen, right? So see, like making the using this BlueJ, you can see this color code. Green, this color is for class. This yellow color is for method. If we define if else, so it will have different color codes, right? See, if one double equals to two, or let's write two only, right? And here, see, it is having different color code for if else. So it is very convenient to identify the block of code because of these colors. So now let's execute this code. So first we need to compile this. So either you can use the shortcut Control plus K to compile the code, or you can click on this button here, compile. So this will compile the code. And here we got a message, class compiled, no syntax error. So now let's execute the code. So we all know that we are using public static void main. So there is no need to define the object of the class, right? Otherwise, we need to make the object. So we will do that also. So here is our main method. We can directly access this main method. So we'll click on it. We are not providing any arguments here. In this, we pass the arguments for args. So we are not providing it here and then click OK. So see, here is the terminal window that is printing hello world. Right. So let's clear this. Let's close this. Shortcut for clear is also Control plus K. So let's open the editor again and let's remove this static here. Let's define it as void main only, right? And let's remove this string arguments as well. So let's compile the code using the short Control K, and then now we need to define the class object for this class, right? Because it is not public static void main, it is void main only, right? So new example, this is how we will make the object. So here you can name the object. I'll name it as obj1, then okay. So here is our object. So right click on this, and here it is the main method that we can access using this object. So we will access this. So void main, and here after executing the method, we are getting the output hello world on the screen. So this is very simple to use. That's why like I think this BlueJ is the best IDE for beginners. Well, here you cannot develop the projects, big projects, because this IDE is not auto typing. It doesn't support auto typing, but for beginner level, auto typing should not be an option because we want to learn. Beginners want to learn the complete syntax, right? IDE shouldn't help the beginners with auto typing and all. But if you're developing a project, Then auto typing is an important feature because you won't be writing everything by your own. We want that we need to type minimum to get the maximum code, right? So here is the output for beginner, output and for this Hello World program, and this is the best IDE for beginners. Now let's check like how to download this BlueJ. So we will open the Chrome, and here we will type BlueJ download. And here is the BlueJ organization website, bluej.org. You can download and install the BlueJ from here. And for this, you must have JDK on your system installed, and you should add JDK in your path variable location, right? So that you can access JDK or Java everywhere in your system. So yeah, this is it for today's session. Thank you.